Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel and it is Stitch Fix time. I just keep getting this box because I have that $49 style pass. It's like when I return a box, they send me a box. And I don't think there's anything wrong with their shipping because they just keep on shipping. So you want to see what's in my box? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So they have started where they you can preview like 10 items and you can pick like 5 of them. And I don't know if I picked 5 of them or I can't remember what I did. It seems like forever ago, even though it wasn't. So we'll see. So Stitch Fix is $20 a month style fee unless you have the style pass, and then that $20 goes towards anything that you purchase. And they send you the bag to send back anything that you don't like, and the invoice and a note card from your stylist. And I guess we got something new. Got a little, here's what you need to know. So they sent a new little card. And I've been getting quite the stylist, even though at the bottom it says, do you want the same stylist or a new stylist? And I always put the same. And I did get the same one. I got Susie. And this is my 83rd Stitch Fix. So I still don't remember if I picked out these clothes or not. And then we got Instantly Love, Instantly Buy, because they have the shop where you can just go, you have to pay full price for it, you don't get a discount, but you can go and buy what you want. But I have found out that they don't have everything on there, because I've gotten things that I didn't buy, but I went to go back to buy them and they didn't have those items. So, but this is my bundle. And they're still sending me shorts because it's still warm enough out here. I have enough jeans and jackets for a while. So let's see what's in my bundle. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Can you believe it's November? And turkeys are out. I did buy myself a turkey. I did not wait for it to go on sale because the rumor mill is there might not be any turkeys, so I just bought it, paid full price, and I'm done with it. So Tom is in the freezer. So the first thing that I got are a pair of Judy Blue, and I just love that brand. I am falling in love with her brand. They're indigo, size 8, and they are called the Lillian Tact Cuff Short. Now they do have the button downs, and I think I did pick these because they were different than the zipper. So I kind of like those. And the next item is just a plain striped t-shirt, and this is 9 Britain Levy sleeveless short knot front knit top in a light gray. Boy, is this guy wrinkled. So I picked it, I know I picked it because it had the little knot. I know everything is knotted now, even sweaters, but it was just easy. I could wear it plain, I can throw on a cardigan. It goes with everything. So, oops, I know I picked that, and I am making a mess. And the next thing, I think I picked 4 items and I left 1 because I'm still trying to get that one thing that I asked for. Is a Hawthorne, size large, 41 Hawthorne, Gabriella complete detailed knot. But I'm getting so many florals that they all start like this one. I think I got this last year or the year before, but they're all starting to look alike. But it is pretty. I like the blue, I like the flowers, and again, I can throw on a cardigan or a jacket, and I like the neckline. So I do like that. This, I think, I don't know if I asked for this one. Market and Spruce, it's a size large, and the tag is, you know, imprinted on there. It's like a baseball tee. And I wasn't sure if I'd like it on me, but I thought it was kind of different. So you never know until you try them on. And the last thing, again, it's floral. So it's like, how many of these florals do you need? It has the high-low, it has the little button. So I don't know, but I figured I got the one pair of shorts and I can wear the 4 tops. So, but again, how many florals does one need? So I'm gonna go try all these on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. I am wearing the Market and Spruce Merit 1 Pocket Knit Top, and they're calling this color gray in the large. And I'm also wearing the Judy Blue Lillian Tracked Cuffed Short in indigo in the size 8. So let me put this down. So this is the top. I'm going to pull you down a little bit here. I'm not sure how I like how the top fits. It feels a little tight, but I think if I size up, it might be too big. And here's the pocket, which I didn't notice when I took it out of the box, but it does have this little pocket here. And I'll turn around so you can see the back, but it fits, but I'm not sure if it's too tight. So you'll have to let me know. And then here's the shorts. I normally don't do front tucks because I have such a big belly, but I do like the buttons here. I mean, they go on perfect, plenty of room. I noticed once I wash cuff shorts, they never cuff the same. But I do like them. Let me just pull you down a little bit more. So I kind of like them. See if you're in camera here. So I didn't know, I do like these shorts, and I said I like the fact that they don't have the zipper, that it's something different, that they do have the buttons, but I'm not so sure about the top. So, okay, this is the 9 Britain striped top. Now this, plenty of room in it. It's got the tied knot. Just a pretty basic top. I kept the same shorts on, of course. You can't see the buttons on it. Very comfortable, very soft. Again, just a plain old t-shirt, but you can see my bra. I'd have to wear a different bra with this, but I do like it. I probably have 2 or 3 tops in this striped pattern. The sleeves are a little bit different over here than what I have, but depending on the price, I don't know, very comfortable outfit. So I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, I'm back with the 41 Hawthorne Gabriella V-neck stretch knit, and this is navy in the size large. I like it, except, let me pull you down. The only thing is this little pleat, because I'm a little chesty, unless I can wear a different bra, it kind of opens up here. I don't know if you can see that. Instead of staying pleated, it opens up. But it's a real pretty color. But it just bothers me that it kind of opens up at that spot. But again, I think if I wore a different style bra, that maybe it wouldn't open up as much. So I'm gonna try the last shirt on and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the last shirt on, and this is the Market & Spruce Aspen crew neck in burgundy in a large. I'm thinking it's a little tight. I would probably have to size up in this one. It's real cute. I like the sleeve length. It does have this button on here, so you can probably see, you can cuff them up if you are able to fold them nice, and then you can just cuff them up. It would be super cute. Or again, you can leave them down if you got cold, but it's very tight around this area. I do like the back, and it's super soft. I mean, it is super soft, but I mean, I can move here. It's not that tight. I can lose some weight, which is, you know, not easy. But I do like it, but I'm not sure if it's just too tight. It doesn't really feel tight. It just, to me, it looks tight. So you have to let me know what you think. And of course, all these shirts go great with shorts. So let's do the recap. Of course, my hair is a mess from trying on clothes and being outside. So let's see if I can get you. It wasn't a bad fix because I picked out, I think, 4 of the 5. I was just looking for casual outfits that I can wear in the warmer weather. So let's see what we got here. The shorts, I really like these shorts, and they're $46. So for Stitch Fix shorts, it's not a bad price. The 9 Britain, the flowered shirt in the light gray was $32. The Market & Spruce, that one pocket floral shirt, was $28. The this one that I'm wearing is $34, and the V-neck one that didn't quite lay right on me was $38. So I think the most expensive thing in this box was $46, and that was the shorts. So I don't think I've ever had a Stitch Fix so affordable before. So that came out to $178. So if you do the Stitch Fix math and you buy everything at 25% off, that takes $44.50 off the box. So the 5 pieces would be $133.50, plus of course you have to pay sales tax. It brings everything down to $133.50 for 5 pieces. And then you figure their sales tax, so it probably brings this box to $150. So let me know what you think. Again, I'll probably keep the shorts, which alone are $50. So I don't know what to do. I do have a link. I believe it's $50 off, so you get 50, I get 50, everybody's happy. So if you haven't tried Stitch Fix yet, you might want to consider trying it. All the pieces were great. So I don't know. Let me know. And you guys have a totally awesome day.